Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get yourself a website in 2 minutes. As you can read it in the title, we're going to take just 2 minutes of your time to get yourself a website done. If you're one of those guys who likes to make blog posts and write articles but doesn't have a place to publish it to, although yes, you can publish it in a lot of websites, but you can't get the credit and satisfaction that it's your own because your content is in someone else's web page. So get yourself a web page by the methods that I'm going to be showing you right now, and yeah, start your blogging business. So without any further ado, we'll jump into it. But disclaimer though, for this, you cannot use this method to build a full-scale website.
Before we start with the actual process, we need a few things that needs to be downloaded first. So the first one is the Ruby installer. Now, why we need this, I'll let you know in a second. So if you're on your Windows machine, then hit that down button, install it. It's really quick and really simple. Once you've done that, just go ahead and Google search for Jekyll. That's the first one that you're going to see. And you might want to give this a read. There's a lot of useful documents, a lot of useful resources. So yeah, you do get themes. Like there are a whole lot of themes that you can actually use. I'm going to be teaching you how to use themes in my next upcoming videos, but for this one, this is just going to be an introduction. So let's get started. We will open up the terminal. You could use CMD, PowerShell, any terminal you feel like. You wouldn't really want to get into this part. So let's just stay in the home page, and these are the only steps that you require in order to get started. So I'm going to be navigating myself to desktop, because why not? Let's save the folder over here. So let's copy paste the first command. So why I asked you to download Ruby is because the command gem install only works if you have Ruby installed in your system. Be it Linux or Windows, you do need Ruby for this to work. So we'll copy that. We'll wait this to complete and then we'll proceed for the next step. So the next step is simply to type in Jekyll new my awesome site. That is it. This one is going to be the website name of your own choice. So Jekyll new sample site. And you could create multiple websites in really instant progressions. So it shouldn't take long enough to get this generated. As you can see, the folder is already there. And now we're going to get inside the sample site folder. So once we're in, it's ready to deploy. That's as quick as it gets. So bundle exec Jekyll serves it in your localhost port 4000. There you go. You can copy that, paste it, and there you have it. So I'm going to be quickly going over the items that are within the folder of your project, so that you get a clear idea of what's happening and where it's all coming from. So it's actually going to use Markdown as your initial language. It's just an advanced way of calling HTML templates. So we'll start this entire project in VS Code. I'm not going to be going in depth. I'll be going in depth about everything in my upcoming video, but this one's just going to be real simple. So we're going to be avoiding gem file and gem file lock. All they do is just download the dependencies and show you what are the dependencies that you have. In future, if you feel like you're going to add a few more dependencies, then you might as well add it to this and update your Jekyll, and that dependency should be pulled through. So what do you see in the index.markdown? Index, obviously, just like any other HTML websites, there is an index.html, and that's how this one works, index.markdown, although this one points to a layout called home. Now, if you could see something called the site, you don't have to mess around anything within the site. This is the generated website that you're seeing right here. So even if you're going to go ahead and delete that, it's actually going to reappear, because that's what's being made here. Now if I just stop this, terminate the job, and then if I deploy it again without even doing any changes, the site's going to turn back up because it's generating. So do not make any changes over that. Underscore config.yml, this is the part which most of the time you're going to see in the themes, the custom themes that you would want to apply. So I'll teach this part later on, but yeah, the config.yml file is more like a globalized variable holder. So you could use the title, email, description, base URL, and Twitter username or GitHub username, all these tags anywhere in your website, and it's going to get pulled through from your config file. So about.markdown, what you see here is what we find inside about, as simple as that. And these are called the posts. So if I click inside welcome to Jekyll, this is the title, the date, and the post itself. So where this is coming from, it's coming from a folder called post. You can create a number of posts, but the conventional way is that you follow it by the date and the title and then .markdown. I'm going to be showing you how you could actually deploy websites in HTML, JS, and CSS format with Jekyll in my later on videos, so stick tuned to that. But yeah, let's make some changes to this. I'm gonna delete this. This is my first post, and let's just change the title to Insomniac Tech. And if I give it a quick reload, there you go. Now if I go back, it's changed there as well. So this is how it's being generated. So for this video, that was pretty much it. I hope you understood how everything is working. And so that was pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. And if you want to see more of this one for you to learn quick website deployment methods, then give it a thumbs up so that I'll know. Hit that subscribe button and with the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make a website in about 2 minutes. My head is cut off. Awesome.